Mitchell Kinnear was a British character actor. He is known for his roles in films directed by Richard Lester, including Algernon in Help, Clapper in How I Won the War, and Planchet in The Three Musketeers, reprising the latter role in the 1974 and 1989 sequels. He is also known for playing Private Monty Bartlett in The Hill, Henry Salt in the 1971 film Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, and cruise director Curtin in Juggernaut. Kinnear made his stage debut in 1955 and came to prominence in the BBC satirical comedy series That Was the Week, That was in 1962. He went on to appear in numerous British television comedy programs, including The Dick Emery Show, and in the sitcoms Man About the House, George, and Mildred and Cowboys. Kinnear was born in Wigan, Lancashire, the son of Annie and Roy Kinnear. He had a sister, Marjorie. His parents were Scottish, originally from Edinburgh. His father was a dual international in rugby union and rugby league, having played for Scotland and Great Britain national rugby league team international, making 1 Lions appearance and 3 for other nationalities, and scoring 81 tries in 184 games for Wigan. He collapsed and died while playing rugby union with the RAF in 1942 at the age of 38. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.